All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today, I'm going to show you how to replace your pressure gauge and how to take them out if they break on you. So definitely time for a new one, and this one broke. Actually right where the threads are there, where it threads in, it actually snapped off in there. So I'll show you how to get that out without hurting your tank there. All right, so you want to get yourself a 5/16 easy out. And there's no need to drill because there's already a hole in there and this will fit right in there. So you don't want to use any type of impact or anything. You want to use just a regular drill. And now we're going to put it in reverse. And we're going to put it in there and we're slowly going to try and back that out of there. I'll show you here. Apply a little pressure. And there it goes. And that thing is just disintegrating. This happens, just get old and chlorine and everything. But there we go. Got that piece out. I just want to make sure there's no debris left in there. Blow it out. Simple as that. Now we can go ahead and put our new pressure gauge in. All right, so now you take your new pressure gauge and just line it up with the threads. And back off so you can see it. There we go. Now we can go ahead, put this back on filter, and we'll turn it on and we'll be able to see our gauge work here. And you want to check for leaks. So that's got a little bit of a leak. So what we're going to do, we're going to put some pipe dope on there and we're going to thread that a little bit more with some Teflon tape. All right, so we're going to take the gauge out here.
It was coming up to me, it landed by my shoe and I almost caught it. I touched it a little.
And we're going to add some more Teflon tape here. Thicken it up. And you may have to repeat this process a couple times till you get it right. But this should work. Some pipe dope on there. And then screw that back in. All right, open our valve back up here. All right, let's try it again. And there we go. No leaks. And our gauge is working great. So I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking to get a new gauge, and hopefully this helps you out, and it'll show you how to, you know, if one does break off in there, it's really simple to get out, and these are actually really simple and easy to change, because you'll notice after 1 year or so they start looking crummy and stuff like that, and they're cheap enough that you just replace them. And you can see just from chlorine and just being in there, they rust out as well. So very simple and easy to do. Anyone can do it. So just make sure you got some pipe dope and some Teflon to go ahead and wrap it just in case. But works great, no leaks, and it's on there good. So all right folks, thanks for watching again, and once again we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, ring that notification bell, check out our other videos on all of our other pool stuff, how to do skimmers, water, everything, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.